Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Tool number 1 is going to blow your mind, and it's called Jasper AI. This isn't just another writing tool, this is your personal content creation empire in a box. Jasper can write blog posts, social media content, email campaigns, product descriptions, and even entire sales pages faster than you can say passive income. Here's how you turn this into a money machine. First, you can offer content writing services to businesses. Set up profiles on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Contently, and use Jasper to fulfill orders at lightning speed. While your competitors are spending hours crafting a single blog post, you're cranking out 5 high-quality pieces in the same time. That means you can charge premium rates while maintaining incredible profit margins. But here's where it gets really interesting. You can create your own content marketing agency, build a simple website, establish packages for different types of businesses, and use Jasper to deliver consistent, high-quality content to your clients. Once you have 10 to 20 regular clients paying you monthly retainers, you've got a predictable income stream that practically runs itself. The real genius move? Create digital products. Use Jasper to write ebooks, course materials, or comprehensive guides in profitable niches. Upload these to platforms like Amazon Kindle, direct publishing, Gumroad, or your own website, and watch the royalties roll in month after month. I know people making thousands of dollars monthly from ebooks they wrote with AI assistance in just a few days. Tool number 2 is Midjourney, and this AI image generator is an absolute goldmine for creative entrepreneurs. The demand for unique, high-quality visuals is exploding across every industry, and Midjourney can produce stunning artwork, logos, social media graphics, and even product mock-ups in seconds. The money-making opportunities here are endless. Start by offering logo design services on platforms like 99 Designs, Fiverr, or even local Facebook groups. Use Midjourney to generate multiple concepts quickly, then refine the best ones. You can easily charge anywhere from $50 to $500 per logo, depending on your target market. But don't stop there. Create and sell digital art prints on Etsy, Society6, or Redbubble. Generate beautiful landscapes, abstract art, motivational quotes with stunning backgrounds, or trendy graphics that appeal to specific demographics. The beauty of print on demand is that you create the design once, upload it, and earn money every time someone purchases a product featuring your artwork. Here's a pro tip that most people overlook. Create stock photo alternatives. Many businesses are tired of the same generic stock photos everyone else uses. Generate unique, AI-created images and sell them on platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or create your own subscription-based stock photo website. Once your library is established, it becomes a passive income goldmine. Moving on to tool number 3, Copy AI, which is revolutionizing how businesses create marketing materials. This tool specializes in sales copy, email sequences, ad copy, and persuasive content that actually converts browsers into buyers. The money opportunity here is massive because every business needs compelling copy, but most entrepreneurs and small business owners struggle to write it themselves. You can position yourself as a conversion copywriter and charge premium rates for your services. Email marketing campaigns, sales page copy, and Facebook ad scripts can command anywhere from $500 to $5,000 per project. But here's the automated income angle. Create email marketing templates and sales funnel templates using Copy AI, then sell these as digital products to entrepreneurs and marketers. Package them as done-for-you systems for specific industries like fitness, real estate, e-commerce, or coaching. Once created, these templates can sell over and over again without any additional work from you. You can also partner with marketing agencies as a white-label copywriter. They handle client relationships while you deliver the copy using Copy AI. This creates a steady stream of projects without the hassle of constantly finding new clients. Tool number 4 is absolutely revolutionary. It's called Synthesia, and it creates AI-generated videos with realistic human avatars. This technology is perfect for creating educational content, product demonstrations, news updates, or any type of video content without ever showing your face or hiring actors. The income potential here is staggering. Start by offering video creation services for businesses that need training videos, product explainers, or marketing content. Corporate training videos alone can command thousands of dollars per project, and with Synthesia, you can create professional quality videos in multiple languages and with different presenters. Create an online course business using Synthesia avatars as your instructors. This is perfect if you're camera shy or want to maintain anonymity while building a profitable education business. Upload courses to platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare and earn money from student enrollments indefinitely. Here's a cutting-edge opportunity. Create personalized video messages for special occasions, birthdays, anniversaries, corporate announcements, or motivational messages. Market these services on social media and charge premium prices for custom AI-generated videos that look incredibly professional and personal. Tool number 5 is Pictory AI, which transforms long-form content into engaging short videos automatically. This tool can take blog posts, articles, or scripts and turn them into professional videos complete with stock footage, music, and captions. The money-making strategy here focuses on the massive demand for video content across all social media platforms. Offer video creation services to bloggers, businesses, and content creators who want to repurpose their written content into videos for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Create a subscription-based service where you transform client blog posts into videos monthly. Many businesses publish regular blog content but struggle to create video versions. Position yourself as their video content partner and charge recurring monthly fees for ongoing video creation. You can also flip this strategy and create your own content empire. Find trending topics in profitable niches. Write articles using AI writing tools, then use Pictory to create videos. Upload these to YouTube with monetization enabled and you've got a content machine that generates ad revenue while you sleep. Tool number 6 is going to change how you think about e-commerce forever. It's called Looka, an AI-powered branding and design platform that creates complete brand identities including logos, business cards, social media graphics, and even websites. The business opportunity here is enormous because every new business needs branding, and there are thousands of new businesses starting every single day. Offer complete branding packages using Looka as your secret weapon. You can create professional brand identities in minutes that would traditionally take graphic designers hours or days to complete. Set up a branding agency targeting specific niches like restaurants, fitness studios, online coaches, or e-commerce stores. Create package deals that include logo design, business cards, letterheads, and social media templates. Once you establish a system and process, you can scale this business by hiring virtual assistants to handle client communication while you handle the creative work with AI assistants. The recurring income opportunity comes from offering brand management services. Many businesses need ongoing design work for marketing campaigns, new product launches, or seasonal promotions. Position yourself as their go-to design partner and maintain long-term relationships that provide steady monthly income. Tool number 7 is Murph AI, a text-to-speech platform that creates incredibly realistic voiceovers in multiple languages and accents. The voiceover industry is worth billions of dollars, and Murph AI democratizes access to professional quality audio content. Start by offering voiceover services for YouTube creators, course creators, and businesses that need narration for their videos. Many content creators produce great visuals but struggle with audio quality or don't want to use their own voice. You can fill this gap by providing professional voiceovers at competitive rates. Create audiobook versions of public domain books and publish them on platforms like Audible, iTunes, or Google Play Books. Choose popular classic literature or business books that are no longer under copyright, create high-quality audio versions using Murph AI, and earn royalties from sales and subscriptions. The scalable opportunity here involves creating voiceover templates and packages for specific industries. Develop standard scripts and voice options for real estate agents, car dealerships, restaurants, or any business that regularly needs professional audio content. Package these as subscription services or one-time purchases. Tool number 8 is absolutely game-changing for anyone interested in the rapidly growing world of NFTs and digital art. It's called Night Cafe, an AI art generator that creates unique, stunning digital artwork that you can monetize in multiple ways. Create and sell NFTs on platforms like OpenSea, Rarible, or Foundation. The key to success in the NFT space is consistent creation and building a recognizable style. Use Night Cafe to develop a signature aesthetic and regularly mint new pieces. Even if individual pieces don't sell for thousands, consistent sales of moderately priced NFTs can create substantial monthly income. License your AI-generated art to businesses for marketing materials, websites, or product packaging. Many companies need unique artwork but don't want to hire expensive graphic designers or risk copyright issues with stock photos. Position yourself as a source for original, licensable artwork. Create physical products featuring your AI art and sell them through print-on-demand services. T-shirts, posters, phone cases, and home decor items featuring your unique AI-generated designs can appeal to specific markets and demographics. The key is finding niches with passionate audiences willing to purchase products featuring artwork that resonates with their interests. Tool number 9 is revolutionizing customer service and lead generation. It's called ChatFuel, a platform for creating AI-powered chatbots for Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and websites. Businesses are desperate for automated systems that can handle customer inquiries and generate leads around the clock. Offer chatbot creation and management services to local businesses, e-commerce stores, and service providers. Many business owners understand they need automated customer service but don't have the technical knowledge to implement it themselves. You can charge setup fees plus monthly management fees for maintaining and optimizing their chatbots. Create industry-specific chatbot templates and sell them as digital products. Develop proven conversation flows for restaurants, dental offices, real estate agents, or fitness studios. Package these with setup instructions and sell them to entrepreneurs who want plug-and-play solutions for their businesses. The recurring revenue opportunity comes from offering chatbot optimization and management services. As businesses grow and their needs change, their chatbots need updates and improvements. Position yourself as their ongoing chatbot partner, and maintain long-term relationships that provide steady monthly income. Tool number 10 is the crown jewel of AI automation. It's called Zapier, enhanced with AI capabilities that can automate complex business processes and workflows. This tool connects different applications and automates repetitive tasks that businesses perform daily. The money-making opportunity here focuses on becoming an automation consultant for small and medium-sized businesses. Most business owners waste hours daily on repetitive tasks that could be automated with properly configured Zapier workflows. You can charge consulting fees to analyze their processes and implementation fees to set up automated systems. Create automation templates for specific business types and sell them as digital products. Develop workflow packages for real estate agents, e-commerce stores, marketing agencies, or any business type with predictable, repetitive processes. Once created, these templates can be sold repeatedly with minimal additional work. Offer ongoing automation management services to businesses. As companies grow and their processes evolve, their automation needs change too. Position yourself as their automation partner and provide monthly optimization and expansion services to continuously improve their efficiency. Here's the key to success with all these tools. Don't try to use all 10 at once. Pick 2 or 3 that align with your existing skills and interests. Then focus on mastering those before expanding to others. The entrepreneurs making serious money with AI tools are those who become experts in specific areas rather than generalists trying to do everything. Start by identifying your target market and understanding their specific pain points. Are you targeting small business owners who need content, creative professionals who need design assets, or entrepreneurs who want to automate their processes? Once you know your audience, you can tailor your services and pricing to meet their exact needs. The pricing strategy is crucial for maximizing your income. Don't compete on price alone. Compete on speed, quality, and results. Position yourself as a premium service provider who delivers exceptional value quickly and consistently. Clients will pay higher rates for reliability and quality, especially when you can deliver results faster than traditional methods. Build systems and processes that allow you to scale your services without proportionally increasing your time investment. Use project management tools, create standardized workflows, and consider hiring virtual assistants to handle routine tasks while you focus on the high-value creative and strategic work. The future belongs to entrepreneurs who embrace AI as a competitive advantage rather than fearing it as a threat. These 10 tools represent just the beginning of what's possible when artificial intelligence meets entrepreneurial creativity. The early adopters who master these technologies today will build the successful businesses of tomorrow. Remember, passive income isn't really passive. It requires upfront work, system creation, and ongoing optimization. But once you establish these AI-powered income streams, they can generate money with minimal daily involvement, giving you the freedom to pursue other opportunities or simply enjoy life while your automated systems work around the clock. The key is to start now, start small, and scale systematically. Pick one tool from this list, spend the next week learning everything about it, then launch your first service or product. Don't wait for perfect conditions or complete knowledge. The best time to start building your AI-powered income streams is right now. If this video opened your eyes to the incredible money-making potential of AI tools, smash that like button and share it with anyone who's ready to escape the traditional work model Subscribe and hit the notification bell because I'm constantly discovering new AI tools and strategies that can transform your financial future. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these 10 AI tools you're most excited to try first. Are you ready to join the AI revolution and start making money while you sleep? The tools are here, the opportunities are massive, and the only thing standing between you and automated income is taking action today. And don't forget to subscribe with notifications on because I drop game-changing content like this every single week.